today we are going to deal with topic vitamins obtained from animal source and plant source. So animal source is shark liver oil, plant source is amla. Objectives. On completion of this presentation, you would be able to know vitamins and able to describe the monograph of shark liver oil and amla. Vitamins. Now, what are vitamins? These are the substances essential in minute quantities for the maintenance of normal metabolic function but are not synthesized by human body own, hence to be supplied from the outside source. Vitamin plays an important role in energy transformation reaction. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are classified as fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins include A, D, E, and K, whereas water soluble vitamins include B complex and C. Vitamins obtained from natural sources are cod liver oil, which has vitamin A and D, shark liver oil, vitamin A, carrots, vitamin A, amla, vitamin C, and yeast, vitamin B complex. Shark liver oil. The first source we are going to study is shark liver oil. Synonym of shark liver oil is Oleum selacoides. Biological source. Shark liver oil is a fixed oil obtained from the fresh and carefully preserved livers of various species of shark, mainly Harpoprion brevirostris. In India, species are Squalidon, Caricaras, and Spherina. These are abundant among species. It should not contain less than 6000 IU activity of vitamin A, international unit of vitamin A. Sharks. Geographical source. In India, oil is obtained from Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala. It is also obtained from other European countries. Description of shark liver oil. Color is pale yellow to brownish yellow. Odor is characteristic fishy but not rancid. Taste is bland or fishy. Solubility soluble in ether, chloroform and light petroleum ether. It is insoluble in water, slightly soluble in ethyl alcohol. Shark liver oil standards of shark liver oils. Specific gravity is 0.912 to 0.916. Refractive index is 1.45 to 1.47 at 40 degrees Celsius. Acid value of shark liver oil is not more than 2. Iodine value is not less than 90. Chemical constituent of shark liver oil is mainly contains vitamin A. The other chemical constituent includes glycerides of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Then identification of shark liver oil. The identification test includes first test, dissolve 1 gram of shark liver oil in 1 ml of chloroform and treat with 0.5 ml of sulfuric acid. It gives violet color, then after resting it shows purple color, and finally it shows brown color. Second test, dissolve 0.1 ml of shark liver oil in 10 ml of chloroform and treat with saturated solution of antimony trichloride. It shows presence of saturated fatty acids and gives blue color. Uses of shark liver oil. It is used in treatment of deficiency of vitamin A, used as anti-xerothermic factor. The storage, it is preserved in well-filled and well-closed container, protected from light, and it is stored in cool place. Second source of vitamin is from plant source, which is amla. Synonym of amla is ambelica, Indian gooseberry, Ambelic myrobalan. Biological source, dried as well as fresh fruits of plant Ambelica officinalis, family Euphorbiaceae. Geographical source of amla. Amla is mainly found in India, Sri Lanka, and Burma. Organoleptic characteristics of amla. Color of amla is green, changing to light yellow. Odor is none. Taste is sour and astringent. Size is 1.5 to 2.5 centimeter in diameter. Shape of fruit, it is depressed and globose. Chemical constituent of amla. Its main chemical constituent is vitamin C. It also contains 0.5% fat, phenylambilin, and 5% tannins, phosphorus, calcium, iron, pectin. Then chemical test, identification test of amla which contains tannin. So to the aqueous solution of amla, add lead acetate or gelatin. It forms precipitate. Then precipitate is removed by filtration. To the filtrate, add 2,6-dichlorophenol, the endophenol. Color disappears. Uses of amla. This is a diuretic, refrigerant, laxative in diarrhea and dysentery. Also administered in treatment of jaundice, dyspepsia, anemia. Alcoholic extract is used as antiviral. Popular ingredient of trifle and chyawanprash. So short summary of vitamins. In this we learned about shark liver oil, which is prepared from fresh and carefully preserved liver of various species of shark. It contains vitamin A. It is used in anti-xerothermic factor. Also, we learned about Ambelica officinalis, which contains fresh and dried fruits. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. It contains vitamin C, used as source of vitamin C. Thank you.